Leonardo AI. I'm going to do some prompts today. Take a look here at Leonardo. See what they have here, a little bit more. You can train your own model. And here we're going to go over to, if you wanted to try flow state, you can try flow state here. All right. Take a look. You get about 150 credits as of the moment. Now, as of December 25th, 2024. We're going to go to image generation. I'm going to use the classic mode. And I'm going to do 16 by 9.
Hi, I'm Eva, and I really enjoy Cliff's videos on YouTube. He has opened up a new world of imagination for me with AI photo to motion, showing me Leonardo AI Freep, X, and Capcut tutorials. I subscribed and gave him a great big like.
Now bring me up to an output of 1932 by 1092 pixels. And we're in dynamic. Let's go to cinematic. Give that a try. This is what the other one came up with. That one's rather nice. What am I going to do with that one? This is the flower one. I think that's pretty. Let's generate it. Back over here. Oh, that looks pretty good. Not bad with the cloud cover, huh? Pretty awesome. Let's go down to, let's see. What do you think vibrant will do? Let's take a look.
These photos are looking awesome just from a prompt in Leonardo AI. Did you know that you can change a prompt and just use your imagination? Wow!
I can clean these up, upgrade them here if I wanted to. Or I could do them over in Topaz. Photo AI. Take my videos over there, redo them in Topaz AI video. Let's generate some motion on this one. It'll take me 25 credits on that. I'm going to change my settings. Let's do some 1x1s. That's pretty cool. That's rather nice. Okay, what did we come up with here? Nice.
I'm Justin. I have been learning a ton of new information from Cliff with his AI, videos as well as his other videos. Give it a try and subscribe. Like and ring the bell for future videos.
Generate some motion. I'm not impressed with that one, with the motion. This one's rather nice. Not the best. Let's try that in vibrant. We could add elements too for this one on film. This came out rather nice. Cool. See the water a little bit there. Hi, I'm Cliff. I'd appreciate if you'd like and subscribe. Take a look at my YouTube channel. Please leave a comment if you prefer. Stay healthy and safe.